Oh, y'all gonna like this one. Oh, this is easy breezy. You put it on in seconds, y'all, and you ready to head out to club such and such. It's nothing. I got the deets that you need, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey, cousins. Hey, it's your girl, Mary coming to you with us late today.
Hey.
Coming to you with us late today.
Let the church say subscribe.
Hi, what's going on to all my subscribers? What's up, cousins? To all my channel members, hey, girl, hey, what's up with ya? Y'all got something so cute from CurlsCurls. I have been wanting to try their half wigs because I've seen some really great content, and what really gets me is how easy it is to work with. So I said, let me see if I could do a quick little updo bop, see what's going on. So I have their brown highlight half wig, you guys. You can choose between 14, 16, and 18 inches. Also, you can choose the style and the curl pattern that you want. So you can choose Afro Kinky, Kinky Curly, Natural Curly, or Kinky Blowout, you guys, and get it in half wig formation. Now, this is 100% virgin human hair as always. So this hair can be twisted, braided, wand curled, colored, bleached, all that stuff. But you want to treat it with TLC because you want to keep this wig, okay? Okay. And the church say amen. Now, there are 4 combs in the half wig. They have the elastic band, they have the adjustable cord. In the case that you want to flex this into a ponytail, you can flex it into a ponytail. That's what we call versatility, okay? Now, let's talk about the hairline. This is an invisible hairline, meaning they make the hairline look like hair. They make it look like roots, okay? Because there's nothing worse than when you're going for a seamless look and you can see all the seams, okay? Somebody look at your neighbor and say, see all the seams, all right? That's not what you want to do. So they have made that hairline just pretty much look like hair, okay? So that's the whole purpose of that. So when you do something like what I'm about to do, you know, when the wind blows, the wig won't show. Okay, that's what you want with that. Okay, that's how you want to finagle that one. Don't act like I didn't tell y'all. Now, here's the thing. You don't have to do any of this. You guys know when I get curly hair, I have to juice those curls. I like them to look good and greasy, like they just got baptized, okay? So I put a little water with the dew mousse, okay? They're texturizing mousse. Now you want to be sure that when you use that particular mousse, you don't start off with an oil. So in my spray bottle, that is just water, okay? That is only water. And then I take, you already know, my favorite curl brush, and I go through first with the detangle side and then with the styling side, and I clump those curls. Now, the curls are already going to come in a very uniform fashion. We want to disrupt those curls. We want to be ignorant with the curls. We don't want them to be twins, okay? We want them to be sisters, but with different mamas. Okay, once you do that, the work is complete. Now you have options on how you want to style this. This is a half wig, so I'm just gonna clip it on just real quick to show you. You could put it on with a little leave out in the front, be on your way to the post office. You already know what time it is. You can do that if you want to. That's not the style that I'm going for. So all this right here is just to show you what the wig is looking like. You guys, it is absolutely beautiful. When you go ahead and break up those curls and put a little juice to it, put a little strawberry jam to it, you can see where you can go with that. Now, I'm doing a half up, half down sort of look, okay? So I'm going to take out a little bit of the front of my perimeter. Now, how much is going to be up to you. My hair is real fine, so it may have looked like I took out a whole half, the whole front half of my hair, but when your hair is fine, you have a lot and a little bit at the same time. So you have to adjust based off of your own density. Okay, now I'm gonna start off. This is just something that you can do in order to keep the style neat. So pull the wig into a ponytail initially, and then you're basically going to wrap your hair around that wig in a ponytail. So you can start off and just pull everything up into a ponytail, your hair and the wig hair at the same time, but this is a way to get it neat, real nice and snug. Now again, depending on the density of your hair, you may have to gel your hair down in layers. So you do the middle layer first and then work your way to the outside layer of your hair so that it lies flat. Okay, you want it to lie flat. My hair, again, I don't have to do all of that. I can just put a little gel on the front section and it'll slide through all the sections because it's a teaspoon. It's a healthy teaspoon, though. Don't get it twisted. This is a nice and healthy teaspoon, okay? But it is yet a teaspoon still the same, okay? So I don't have to do all of that. This right here is a way to cover that hair tie in a very sleek way. So I just added a little bit of gel to that, wrapped it around, bam, pinned it. Y'all, that's it. You can go to the public library right now. You can do that. You can head up there to Barnes and Nobles, get you a little Starbucks if you want. I don't know. Dunkin' Donuts, how y'all feel about it? What you want to do with it? You can go wherever you want to. You don't have to do either one of those. You can get your little water and go up there and have some book time. Okay? You can go to second service with this. This is in there. There are 4 combs in this here wig. That means you could shout. Okay? It really doesn't even matter who preaching. Okay, they can bust house and you can be in there shouting and that wig is secure. Okay, that is secure. Cause you know when you get to thinking about the goodness of the Lord, honey, woo, you better have you some combs off up in there. Okay, if you know like I know, look at that, y'all. Now that is later on in the day after I have done my face and all that stuff. That's completely dry. Look how cute and defined that is. So that is the shrivel up, okay? That's 100% dry. Look how fly that is. I love this length. I love it. That top knot is giving. Oh my goodness. It's giving what is supposed to give. Y'all, this is so cute. This is so cute. And they have so many half wigs, y'all. I want to try all of them. This is cute. That curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. The density is density-ing. What y'all think? Blow the comments up, blow them up. I know y'all about to grab this. That's cute right there. Summertime ready. Peace, love, light.